Hello, and welcome to the tutorial for the Jensen Metal Tech labor entry system. This instructional video will show you how to enter your labor tickets using Android tablets. First, you will need to turn on the tablet, switch to the Metal Tech profile, swipe to unlock the device, and access the home screen. From there, you could tap the Paperless shortcut or open Chrome and navigate to http://paperless via the Omnibox. Once you have accessed the web page, you will see the login page. To the upper right hand corner, you will see several fields to enter your Kronos ID, enter your password, and then tap the login button. Once logged in, you will be automatically redirected to your dashboard. On every page of the labor entry system, you will have access to the navigation bar with the following buttons: the employee dashboard, work orders, labor tickets, and a slider to give you more room if you need it. You will also have access to your profile and a logout button. The dashboard page provides a summary of your work and will have two sections: your work efficiency, which shows results from the past 10 days, and your labor ticket log, which shows verified labor tickets in the visual database. The work orders page shows all available open jobs in visual and has the following sections: the work order list to the left, which includes cards and a filter, and the work order details to the right, which will populate when you tap on the work order card. The work order details include header information, such as the work order description and build quantity, and the work order sequence information, including your instructions, any part requirements, and for each work sequence, a log time button. To enter a labor ticket into the system, you'll want to go to the work order page, find your work order. Here, you can scroll through the list or enter portions of the work order number into the filter with the on-screen keyboard. Tap on the work order card, scroll through the work order details and find your sequence number, then press on the log time button. A modal window will appear, allowing you to enter your labor type, either run or setup, the start time, and the end time. When entering your start time or end time, a clock picker widget will appear. From here, you can tap on the hours, the minutes, and the clock face. The numbers on the clock face can be selected for quick entry, or you can drag the clock hands to select individual minutes. When you are in the hours selection, remember, you will need to enter in military time. So in the afternoon, 1 p.m. is 1300 hours, 2 p.m. is 1400 hours, and so on. When finished, you can either tap Done on the clock picker or tap outside to go back to the labor ticket modal. Here, you can see that I'm entering the end time. Here's the hours, the minutes, and then done. Once the three fields are entered, you can tap the next button. If you had selected Run for the labor type, another modal will appear, allowing you to claim quantities. Here, we have an entry field, number buttons, a clear button, and finally, the enter button. If there are no errors from your entry, you will get a green notification saying that everything is okay. If there are errors, the notification will be red and you will have to re-enter your labor ticket. If you continue to have issues with the system, you may have to notify the supervisor so they can troubleshoot the problem. The labor tickets page will show a summary of labor tickets you have entered, both unverified and verified. By default, the page will start by showing you unverified labor tickets. From here, you will see all entries that have not been submitted into the visual database and must be processed by your supervisor. Here, you can see an edit button, a delete button, the date and time, the work order ID and description, the work order sequence and type, the quantity claimed for the ticket, the total claimed quantity, or TCQ, for all quantities claimed thus far, and lastly, the work order quantity, or WOQ, for the build requirements of the job. Editing a labor ticket is similar to the entry process, allowing you to change information if you make a mistake. If you need to delete the labor ticket entirely, you can tap the delete button and remove it from your list. You may also view all labor tickets that have been verified by your supervisor by tapping on the Verify tab. Keep in mind that the information here is read-only and you may not edit or delete any tickets. This concludes the tutorial for the Jensen Metaltex labor entry system. Thank you for watching.